Hello, good morning, students. Today we will learn fifth parts of speech and adverb. We have learnt noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, and their kinds. And they are fifth parts of speech, adverb. Now we will learn today. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, he runs. Runs is verb. He runs fast. वह दौड़ता है. Here वह कैसे दौड़ता है? Fast. Here the word fast is an adverb. Another example, Neeta writes clearly. Here clearly an adverb. It modifies something to a verb writing. So adverb here is clearly. Another example, slowly, quickly, fast, to, and more example we learn in kinds of adverb. Here we are seeing that kinds of adverb. There are 6 kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of quality or degree, and interrogative adverb. Now we will learn one by one every kinds of adverb. Here first kinds of adverb, adverb of manner. This adverb says that the work has been done. How? These adverbs the answer of the question how. This adverb when we ask question how, the answer will be adverb of manner. How is an action be done? This is called adverb of manner. Slowly, quickly, fast, to, clearly, and more. But we will see in the example. Here the two examples. Rina writes clearly. The word clearly it modifies the verb write. When we question how writes, then answer is clearly. We ask question how writes, कैसे लिखता है? The answer is clearly. So clearly is an adverb. Here runs is verb and fast an adverb. Here we ask question runs, how runs? Answer is fast, slow. So we can say the fast is an adverb. Next question. Amit and Sumit Next example, Amit and Sumit live together friendly. And now we'll say another kind of adverb, adverb of place. Adverb of place. Here place means jagah. And when we ask question where, the answer is the place. When we ask question where, kahan, answer will be the place. So adverb of place is the adverb that shows the place where the action has been done. Here the example, children are playing outside. Playing. We ask question where? Answer is outside. We ask question where the children playing. Where the children are playing? Answer is outside. So here adverb is outside. That modifies children, where are the children playing? So outside is an adverb. Second, please come in. Here in is an adverb. Third, here example, my friend's box. My friend's book is laying inside. Here inside shows the place of verb. Inside is adverb of place. And next kinds of verb. Adverb of time. Time. When we ask question, when it shows the time of action. When question, when they ask answer, when has happened anything, it shows time. We ask question when, first of all, answer will be the adverb of time. Example, my friend came yesterday. Here came is verb, and when we question, when, answer will be yesterday. When we ask question when, answer will be yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb and it is an adverb of time. The children will go to school tomorrow. Here we question when, answer is tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb of time. And next, and number 4. Adverb of frequency or number. When we ask question how much, the answer will be adverb of frequency or number. How much? We ask question, the answer will be the question of how much. When we question how much, answer will be adverb of frequency. Always, never. First example. Here the example, the boy always plays. Here, yeah, always is an adverb. Next example. He never goes to market. Here, never, and here always, adverb of frequency, adverb of number. And another kinds of adverb we will learn next class. I will give you here 5 sentences to identify the kinds of adverb. You should underline the adverb and write the kind of adverb below it. Write down in your copy. It is homework for you. Question is, underline the adverbs in the sentence and write its kind. Question is, underline the adverbs in the sentence and write its kind. Listen first. Here the sentence are, the leader spoke loudly, the children walk fast, he is playing there, I shall go today, he never tells a lie. And you should underline the adverb and write its name. Thank you.